Hi, today's lesson is about cladding. So what's the meaning of cladding? Cladding is a surface that lets you distribute planar, linear, and concentrated loads on bars, panels, and supports. This object can facilitate generating loads. It allows you defining real structure objects that do not participate in the load capacity of a structure. So what should we do to start making cladding? Well, first we do our usual steps of making a new grid. Define for x-axis, for example, we have 2 and 5 meters, and for y-axis we have 5 meters values, no letters, and for z we have 4 meters and values do not include stories. Start making columns. Column sections have been defined in the last lesson, so choose the one that you have defined, and if you do not know how to define the one, just click on this one and insert the properties of your column, that means the width and height, and choose the one that you have defined and determine its height as 4 meters and start drawing. But before that, choose the height above the ground at which you are starting drawing your columns, this one, and start drawing columns. Then close it, check that using the view. Okay, correct. Now start making beams, and also beams cross sections have been defined in the last lesson, so check it out and start drawing them. Use drag. Close, and one missing. Close it and check that. Turn on the cross section, it's okay. Now go to plan and choose your level, it's choosing 4, and start making the cladding. Go to geometry, cladding. Now you have 3 options: contour, rectangle, or circle. It's a rectangle, 2-way, it should be 2-way, and if it's rectangle, then you have to define 3 points, just 3 points, this one and this one and this one. Then close it and check it from here, it's okay. Turn off the sections and select the cladding from here. Then go define the loads on the cladding. Go to load types, dead load. Okay, let's just consider dead load. Add it as an example. Close. Define loading as surface load, it's gravity load, like that. On x-axis we don't have, on y we don't have, on z-axis let's make it as 5 kilopascal. Add it and apply it to the cladding because it's choosing, or write the number of the element, it's 58, you can know that from here, the number of the element, then apply. Close it and start analyzing. If you want detailed analysis, just click on the results and from there choose detailed analysis. From the pop-up menu, click on MY and apply. You can see that. And if you want to show the shear, FZ apply. And if you want to show the normal force, just click on the FX and apply. And to show the reactions, go to results, diagram for bars, and change the view, which is front, and turn off the sections. Then go to reactions from here, and reactions are in the direction of z-axis, so they are FZ. Show description for them. Then press on apply. Close that, and as you rotate, you can see the value, which is for this column, for this reaction, it is FZ equals to 58. And that's logical, because we have only one loading condition, which is the dead load. The next step of analysis is showing the stresses. To show the stresses, go to the original view from here, turn off the sections, and turn on the number of elements, and select the member that you want. For example, we select beam 55, this one, and then open it in a new window, this one. Go again to results, diagram for bars, and from that choose stresses. Well, then we have stresses as bending, S max, My, this one, and apply. Turn off section, and you see it. You can make it bigger from here. And you see that. The final step is showing the tabular form of data. Go to the original view, and then go to analyze results, reactions. This is the tabular form of data for reactions, and the same thing you can do for forces. As well as deflections and stresses. And if you want to show the tabular form of data for a single element, do the following. Go back to this view and select an element, for example this one, and right click, tables, table filter to current selection, and choose the one that you want to show. For this time, select forces, and OK. Well, this data is for the whole object, and if you want to show the data for 3 points on that object, that means at the beginning, at the mid-span, and at the end, you can do that by right click and special filter, and from there you choose the division points as 3 instead of 2, and from extremes choose for a single point, and OK, and that's it. my we have minus 15 and in the 15 and minus 26. Well, that was our lesson for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye.